Hello, YouTube. It's Black Tiger Miner here. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. And I'm excited because Kaspa is on the verge of a new all-time high. I think it's going to hit an all-time high either by the end of this week or definitely in the month of September. So let's look at the numbers real quick. And you can see here the weekly RSI is up. Right? You can see here it's definitely trending on the upside. And if we go to the day, you can see it went down and it's starting to go back up, right? And you see the trend line is here on a straight incline. And if we go to the 4-hour chart, as you can see, it's been pretty consistent and now it's starting to slightly turn up, if you can see that indicator. And let's go check the let me check the MACD indicator. So MACD is the moving average, right? And you can see, I think I told you guys earlier this week, once the MACD crosses, it either goes up or it goes down. And you can see it crossed here and it went down. And you can see the volume was high earlier this month, or earlier in the 4-hour chart. The volume was high, the MACD crossed, and the volume went down. So suspect people were selling and trying to get a better position. But it was been flat. And then here on the 4-hour chart, it crossed again and it dipped some more. But here around Monday, 1900, it crossed. And you can see from here, it's been trending up. And the good thing here is there's volume. If you watch the charts or if you start checking on the charts, once the volume starts building, that's when the price goes up. So again, this is not financial advice. This is just me looking at the charts for entertainment purposes. Remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. But from my analysis, I suspect we're due for a big push up pretty soon, right? So let me go back and look at the day chart. And you can see here it's at 0.0455. And it's been a while. Let's zoom out here. When in doubt, zoom out, right? So we can see here it's been a while since we've been in this. Let me go back to the 4-hour chart. So it's been a while since we've been in this price range, right? I think the last time was August 21st. And before that, let me zoom out again. When the all-time high was, I think at the beginning of, is this right? The beginning of August? But it's been a while since we've been in this. Maybe we can see it better in the day. Yeah, it's been a while since we've been to this range, right? And if we keep pushing to that 0.046, I think that was, yeah, August, right? And traditionally, September is not a good month for stocks or crypto. So I'm trying to see what's going on here or why the price is coming up. But I told you guys, Kaspa was going to pump in September. And when it pumps in September, it's saying a whole lot across all markets, right? Because nothing else is pumping. We'll look at the crypto bubbles in a minute. But on here, I think we push past. If we push past this, we zoom out some more here so you guys can see it. If we push past, which that last resistance was 0.043, of which we did push back. The next one is, let's see, 0.045. And then after that, we're looking at 0.047. So I think if we push past 4.3, which we did, we're looking at an 8 to 10% jump. So that, I think that put us around this 0.047. And if it continues to run like this, we might push up to this 0.052, and I think that would be an all-time high. Let me go back and check here. Zoom in or zoom out. Let's see, where were we? Yeah, I think that is it, actually. So what is it? 0.0? Yeah, 0.052 would be a new all-time high. So let me go back to the day chart. Yeah, so what was this? 0.051. So yeah, 52 would be there. So let me know what you think in the comments about this. Because I think we're about to start a slight bull run. I'm not saying we're taking over the market, but there's a lot of people talking about it's going to go up and then get real bearish. And then a lot of people are saying it's going to be bearish towards the end of the month. So let me know what you think about that as well. And if you have any predictions, I'm trying to zoom out here. Maybe we can go to the day chart. So let me know what you guys think about Kaspa and the movement. There we go. And the chart movement. If we think we're going to hit the new all-time high this week, or if you think it's going to get bearish and come back down, or do you think people are accumulating and waiting for a bull run? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And you can definitely see we are, let's see, where's my indicators? Let's go back to the Mac. So you can definitely see the volume building, and it doesn't look like the MACD is going to cross. So that means it's going to keep going up until we get some kind of movement to the trend line. Like you see here, it crossed, the volume built, and it kept going up until about right here. It took a turn down, it crossed, and then the volume dropped. So you can see here we're still building volume, which is good, and the price continues to rise. So that was just some of the technicals today on this Wednesday. It's Black Tiger Miner giving you some technical information. Uh, don't go all with the technical advice. This is just some of the things that's happening. And if we look here, hash rate is 19.57 petahash. Current supply is 20.6 billion. Percent mine is 71.12. Next reduction 23 days down to 165. TPS is 1.6, which is transactions per second. BPS is 1.2, which is blocks per second. Current price is 0.0458. Trading volume is 19 million. And if you notice, lately or this week, actually probably Friday, the trading volume has been back in the tens of millions. It was previously in the 7, 8, maybe $9 million range, and now it's back into the 10 digits, the 20, the 12, the 15. So there's definitely volume. The volume's coming back. Market cap is 945 million. So that's also a good sign because the market cap was down to like 700, 800, 600. So the volume's coming back and the market cap's going back up. So let's look at the top addresses real quick. So address count is 281, and this is not unique counts. This is just all the people's addresses on different wallets. Like I always say, I have about 10 addresses on 2 wallets. So the wallet count is not unique. Top 10 is 16%. Top 100 is 34.8. Top 1000 is 61.7. And we see here we added a whale, no movement on the humpbacks. We added 8 sharks and 31 dolphins, and looks like everything else is down. So I suspect people are selling, which is weird, but hey, whatever works for you. Fish is 10K to 100K. We're down 795. Octopus is 1K to 10K. We're down 384. Crabs is 100 to 1,000, and we're down 372. And shrimp is 0 to 100, and we're down 1,000 So let's look at the top addresses, and not much movement here. KuCoin's 3.5%, Mexi's 3.2, Gato's 3.2. This 4 and 5. Actually, there's something else here. The 6, all at 1%. BitGet's at 0.9, and Rust hasn't moved much. So we'll go to the bubbles. So for today, Kaspa's up 7.6%. For the hour, it's down 1.2%. For the week, it's up 20.1%. For the month, it's up 6%. And for the year, it's up 972. So like I mentioned in the video yesterday, we're at 800. So we're getting back up to this close to 1,000% again. So that's also a good thing. Remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. I'm saying it a lot now because we're moving. Things are looking kind of bullish. So I'm going to hear that. Thanks for following. Thanks for supporting the channel. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment. All right? Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know how the video's going. Let me know some information in the comment section. I want to hear from you guys. I want to get some more comments. Okay, so Live Coin Watch is saying market cap is 937 million. Trading volume is 17.3. Volume versus cap is 1.84. All-time high is 0.051. So we're getting closer. Last hour down 0.96%. 24 hours 7.04. 7 days 19.47. 30 days 6.97% up. 90 days 138% up, and the year 1,130% up. Circulating supply is 20.6 billion. Total supply is 20.6 billion. Max supply is 28.7. Total cap is 393.7 million. 24-hour range. Check this out. 11%. So it went up 11% from 0.041 to 0.046 was the 24-hour high. And we'll look at our friends at CoinGecko. Again, CoinGecko, thank you guys for actually giving us a real rank and keeping the price information as accurate as possible, unlike CoinMarketCap. So we're at 0.055, up 7.4%. Bitcoin's up 7.8%. Market cap is 947 million. Trading volume is 16 million. Fully diluted is 1.3 billion. That's also a good thing because this was down to like 800, I think, last week, 850. So now we're back in the billions. Certain supply is 20.6 billion. Total supply is 20.6 billion. Max supply is 28.7 billion. And if we look here, 24-hour high is 24-hour low is 0.041. 24-hour high is 0.046. 7-day, so check this out, is 0.0375, and the high is 0.046. Show me somebody else in the cryptocurrency environment that went up this much in the last 7 days. Just point it out to me. Don't worry, I'll wait. So the trading volume is 17 million. Market cap is 44. Market cap rank is 44. Market cap is 952 million. So let's see what CoinMarketCap has. CoinMarket has 0.045. Market cap is up 8.99% to 938 million. Volume is 8.1219 million. Volume versus cap is 2.06. Certain supply is 20.6 billion. Total supply is 20.6 billion. Max supply is 28.7 billion. And fully diluted market cap is 1.3 billion. And I was looking for the rank actually, and I don't see it. That's weird. They usually have the ranking here, but no worries. But the global adoption continues. Book of Casper realized Satoshi Nakamoto's dream electronic version has been successfully launched. And I did pick up the book of Kaspa actually. So if you want to learn more about it, I would definitely get that book. Looks like BitGet is went up or right behind, or BitBuy. Sorry, BitBuy is coming up. So we'll see. I should check the fear index for the crypto, but maybe I'll do another video. So this is Shy, one of the developers at Casp. So he said, I wrote a new kick Casp improvement proposal, proof of chain membership. Let you know what it's about. The problem to solve, Caspa's nodes are pruned, whereas all block data except for the last few days is discarded. By applying a clever technique called, wow, knife pole pow, we can discard all sufficiently old block data and most block headers without compromising the security and integrity of the chain. And in particular, in the T or UX UTXO set is always present, a valid, and can be authenticated. This is enough for most purposes since the UTXO set contains the following data: a list of non-empty balances and their addresses. For each such balance, the time it was created, and for each such balance, whether it was mined or paid. That is, whether it is not UTXO is an output of a Coinbase transaction. And this kind of gets pretty in depth. So I'm going to just put this on the profile on my Twitter page and see that we're getting more followers here, which is good. So moving on, Casper news. Everything seems to be lining up nicely for Casper currency. Smart contracts, implement of GHOSTDAG, more business accepting cash, 10 BPS on mainnet, increase TPS. So BPS is blocks per second, TPS is transaction per second, and continually growing community and all time for the best run, in time for the biggest bull run crypto has ever seen. Interesting. Then there's some more about Kaspa News is saying CoinMarketCap, get it together. What are you waiting on to fix the ranking? Stop fooling people. CMC ranking 206. CoinGecko, our guys. Remember CoinGecko. Remember who brought you to the dance, CoinGecko. Thanks for the support. Rank 44. So I'm not sure how CoinMarketCap is 206 and CoinGecko is 44. I could see if it was in the hundreds or at least closer, but it's kind of strange. But there might be factors behind CoinMarketCap not bringing the ranking up right. But we're going to remember CoinGecko when it's all said and done, when the smoke clears. We'll remember who was dancing with us at the dance. Always dance with those who brought you to the dance, CoinGecko. Update potential cash scenario using the Fibonacci time. Kaspa enthusiasm. Kaspa's on the way to a new all-time high. So I was telling you guys, we're going to hit it soon. Kaspa is the one cryptocurrency you rarely find. It's not too late to hop on. It's not financial advice. It's just reading the information here. And here, Jim Skibaum, the RSI divergent indicator has flipped green, which we were talking about early on the weekly. A few days ago, it flipped green on the 3-day, which was a leading indicator for the week chart. Outlined below is the prior examples of when RSI divergence flipped on the weekly. So let's see. Is there a video here? What is this? Oh, yeah, I think I did show that previously. And that was the RSI indicators we was looking at earlier. And he says with his trend line, it's looking to pop around 0.056. Whereas I was telling you guys, we're definitely going to hit an all-time high soon. If we're at 0.046 now, and he's saying it could get up to 0.0. Wait a minute. He's saying 0.056. We're at 0.046. He's saying from 4 cents to 56 cents. Let me know what you guys think about that. If you agree, hey, I'm definitely with it. But if you agree with him, let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment about what you think here. And this is now possible with the new Rust version cast node to sign messages in your private key, and proves that you can control certain addresses without sending coins from it, revealing your secret security code. Evidence calling this Kaspa breakout on my first YouTube weeks ago, describing how bullish cast bear pair is and the potential accumulating range and breakout likely. I have 6 videos now and have corrected the audio. That was the issue. And yes, he did. I will tell, Jim Skibum did start talking about this breakout weeks ago. So I'm not sure, because there's a lot of people jumping on Kaspa now and giving you Kaspa videos and Kaspa advice that was talking about Polygon last week. So I don't know if I would follow them, or I don't know if I would take all their information as usefulness. But like I said before, I'm always sticking with the people who brought me to the party. I've been looking at Jim Skibum and who is this guy? And Shy and Casper Silver and Blockchain Daily the entire time. I would recommend those guys. I'm not sure about these new content creators. A lot of people are just jumping on Kaspa now because of the bullish in the market. But this is Black Tiger Miner signing out. Happy Wednesday. I don't want to keep you too long. I just wanted to go over this new all-time high information and let me know what you think. Remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. I'll let you guys get back to it, and let's get back to the money.